I'm Dr. Jayanti Tumsi. I work as a lead and a robotic surgeon in the Department of Breast Oncology at Apollo Cancer Center in Bangalore. So today is World Cancer Day, February 4th. All over the world, this day is celebrated so that we increase the awareness of cancer. We know that the incidence of cancer is on rise. And how do we take care of it? How do we fight this disease? Is first of all by doing early detection. So today's campaign from Apollo Hospital has been from zero to hero. That means if we detect the disease in stage 0, then the chances of complete cure are almost certain. And not only can the patient be cured, the treatment also becomes very simple, shorter, and also cheaper. So, what is stage 0? Stage 0 means the cancer is confined only to that particular organ and it has not spread anywhere. We know that cancer has a potential to spread within the organ and also to the different parts of the body in different organs. So, stage 0 is even before it becomes symptomatic and the disease is confined only to that particular organ, like for example in breast, what we call as ductal carcinoma in situ. This is a pre-malignant condition. That means it hasn't yet become full-fledged cancer, but if we don't treat, it will progress to become cancer. In usually stage 0, the surgical treatment is good enough. If we do the surgery and remove the abnormal part, they may not further require any chemotherapy or radiation therapy, and we can avoid the side effects which are associated with it. So I would recommend every person to get screening done for cancer, especially for breast cancer, which is very common in women. I recommend that women 20 years after every month do a breast self-examination, and women who are 40 years and above do a yearly mammogram and detect the disease early and which can be cured. Thank you.
My name is Akshay Oleti. I am the CEO for Apollo Hospitals. So today we are conducting a program on World Cancer Day where we are highlighting the effectiveness of early screening of cancer. Cancer, as all of you know, has from stage 1 to stage 4, but there is one important thing called stage 0, meaning detecting the cancer when it is the absolute smallest part of your body. When we approach a healthcare worker or a healthcare organization like Apollo at the time of stage 0, then there is a 95% to 100% chance of complete recovery without any problems, right, or without any escalation into a bigger cancer. As we keep moving across the stages, the moment it goes into stage 1, 95% chance becomes 85% chance, and it keeps dropping the chances of recovery and the chances of success. So today we are here for a cause where we are talking about the absolute importance of cancer screening, early detection, and Apollo Hospital is fully committed to make sure that the society is cancer free.
I'm Dr. Vishwanath S. I am the lead oncosciences for Karnataka region and also the senior consultant in the Department of Medical Oncology. Today is World Cancer Day, February 4th, and since the year 2000, we have been observing World Cancer Day. And on this day, I would like to highlight and emphasize that early diagnosis of cancer is very important. And today's campaign, Zero to Hero, stage 0 basically means that the patient is not having any symptoms, and to catch these cancers early by doing screening, and so that these patients have a 95 to 100% chance of cure. There are several cancers which can be screened, and today my message to all of you is please consult your healthcare professional and get screened for all these cancers so that you have a 100% chance of cure, and cancer is definitely curable if caught early. Thank you so much.
They have given an excellent concept of zero to hero. Everybody has spoken about that. Simple example I'll give. Dr. Jayanti will do an surgery on DCS and send to me if any role of radiation is there. That time you should see the patient's face, how stressed they are. Because if I tell any treatment is there, because I'm a radiation oncologist, I'm giving that example. So if I tell radiation is there, there will be so much stress. And when I tell no, you don't require any treatment, no radiation is needed, I'll become a hero. But actually, I am not a hero. You are the hero, you patients are heroes. Because you have been confident enough, dare enough, and you have been aware to come to hospital, come for detection. Correct? It is not me, it's you. So it's everything in the media's hand and the patient's hands, and the caregivers, they must be aware of what they are thinking, what they are doing, and come to hospital. With this team from Apollo, Zero to Hero, we are all united. Myself, Dr. Jayanti, Dr. Subramanish Rao, everybody is united here. Why? We want to be heroes in the eventual idea of catching the cancer early. And we have come here to, you all come here to listen to us, and also we have come to listen to our patients. Because each patient will be in different parts of their life. Some will be in highly productive age, some will be in a retirement age, and diagnosis of cancer itself is a big thing. In that level, if you're detecting at stage 0, that's a great achievement for all of us. So hope we'll have more and more heroes from our side, more than our side, from your side, and spread the message across India. Thank you very much.
ಗೆಡ್ಡೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ತುಂಬ ಕಂಗಾಲಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದರು. ಇದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ಲಿ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಾಲೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ಇಮೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ MRI ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ವಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಲಕ್ಕಿಲಿ ತಾಯಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರೊಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಗುನ ಕಾಳಜಿಯಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ವಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕಿಡ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಹಾಗೂ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಹರಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಮಗುಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೋ ಡೋಸ್ ಕಿಮೊಥೆರಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಆ ಕಿಡ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಟ್ಯೂಮರ್ನ ತೆಗೆದ್ವಿ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಮಗು ಈಗ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ವೆಲ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಮಗುವಿನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡಿಸಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಟು ದ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನಸಾಮಾನ್ಯರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಈ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 1 ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ವಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಮರಿಗೂ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 2, 3, 4 ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋ ವಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಮರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ. ಸೇ ಈ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಒಂದು 3 ತಿಂಗಳು ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ 4 ತಿಂಗಳು ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ, ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 3 ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 4 ಪಿಕಪ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 18-20 ಸೈಕಲ್ಸ್ ಕೀಮೊಥೆರಪಿ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿನ ಅಂಗಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಬೇಕಾಗೋದು. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುವಂಥ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 1 ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 0 ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಲೀಗ್ಸು, ಅದನ್ನು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ನಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತಿಗೊಳಿಸೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದರಿಂದ ಬರುವಂಥ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಂದ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೆಸೇಜನ್ನು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್, ಜನಸಾಮಾನ್ಯರಿಗೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹರಡಿ. and talk to patients, give them a positive message, patients, their family members in the community. That is our only hope that we can spread as cancer specialists today. Mattumme ellaru
Personalized care. Finally, we have Dr. Vinay Ural, Senior Consultant and Academic Advisor, Radiation Oncology, to share the insights on the theme United by Unique.
ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಗಂಡ ಇದೆ, ಗಂಡಾಂತರ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಹಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸತ್ತೋಯ್ತೀರಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಣಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪಾಯ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ತರ ಇದೂ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಮಾತ್ರ
my question was same as like, is cancer genetically related? Like, can a person carry it through heredity, especially like blood cancer and cervical and breast cancer? Can it come through heredity?
Some blood cancers can come with hereditary disorders. Yes, like we have Fanconi's, blooms. So if there is a history of these diseases in the family and the person is at a higher risk of those disorders, those hereditary disorders, then yes, there is a higher risk of cancer. Other than that, there is a disorder called Li-Fraumeni, which is associated with a particular gene mutation. That is also, it tends to be passed on in generations. And if the patient is positive for that disorder, then yes, they are at a higher risk. But breast and cervical cancer, Dr. Jayanti will.
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಮಗಳ ಮದುವೆ, ಕನಸಿನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮನೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಣ ಹೊಂದಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇರೋ ಚಿನ್ನನ ಅಡ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ಮಾರಿಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕರ್ಧ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಂತ ಆತಂಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಡಿ, ನೀವು ಅಡವಿಟ್ಟ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹಳೆ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡು ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾಕಿ ಹಣ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಕೋಟ್ಯಾಂತರ ಜನರ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕಂಪನಿ.